G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com. Have you seen the Duotone feature in Photoshop Elements? It was added in PSE 2021. Let's check out how to use it.
Go to the Guided Edit tabs, click on Fun Edits and then Duotone Effect. You might recognize this Duotone effect. It's having a bit of a moment on social media, probably thanks to Spotify, who's been using it in a lot of their artwork lately. There's 4 simple steps to the Duotone effect, and let's go through them now. First thing we can do is crop our photo. You can choose what size you want for various social media options, and then they have some standard photo sizes as well. Let's go for the Facebook event, and we click the green check mark to apply the crop, and now we can look at the Duotone effects. Duotone just means that instead of say black and white, we're using 2 colors for our photograph. So in this one, it's purple and blue. In this one, it's very dark purple and red, 2 shades of green, purple and yellow, purple and blue, and pink and yellow. There's also gradient duotones. But I think in this one, I'm just going to go for the bluish effect. I'm going to actually change it so there's just a bit more of the cyan in the image. You can also adjust the opacity to make the effect more or less intense. Your 4th step is to choose a shape. I actually really like these kind of half effects. And if you turn off black and white, you can see that really makes a super fun effect. I'd like to think that, you could use this on social media and you could use this more subtle background for your text. Now, at any point, if you don't like what you've done, you can click on the Reset Image button and start again. So let's have a look at what one of these gradients would look like. You can actually change the direction of the gradient as well. I think I like the purple at the bottom there. And with this shape, you can actually move it along around on your page wherever you'd like it to be. So when you're happy with how everything looks, you can click Next. And then you have the option to save your work or continue editing in the quick or expert mode. Or you can share it on social media. Or you can just click Done and you'll be taken right back to where you were before. Just click on the image and then change to expert mode. When you click expert mode, you will get to see the behind the scenes layers of how they have created this look. So I always think that is pretty fun. And in this case, you can actually see that we've got a gradient shape here that you can turn on or off. And then in expert mode, you can further play around with your image to add text and
save it as a PSD so you can edit it later. Thanks so much for watching this video. If it's helped you, please give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I release new videos. And if you'd like to learn more about Photoshop Elements, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.